What's up, guys? We got more products for you today. Today we're going to be unboxing this indoor-outdoor light strings. They're commercial grade, and I got them for 65 cents on Amazon. So we figured we'd unbox them for the company and show you guys what you can buy for $65. So first, we got our bulbs. There's 30 of them total because you get 2 light strings with this. 15 bulbs on each. Here is their instruction manual, which would probably be a little bit better. Yeah, those are more bulbs. And you get 2 light, as mentioned, you get 2 light strings. They're really thick. They're 18 AWG cable, and the product is UL listed. They are for indoor or outdoor use. And with an end-to-end connection. Let's see what these look like. Holy smokes, that's thick. Regular brown plug. What's your tip look like? Where are you at? We'll get to that in a second. Okay. 2 polarized plug. Let's see if it says anything else interesting. Get the 32-watt LED bulbs, 15 sockets on the 48-foot light string. There's 2 of them as mentioned. You get some zip ties. Here's the other one. Stick that sucker right behind there. Let's get some bulbs in there. You can find the product link for this item below. It is made in China. The supply is 120 volts and puts out 60 hertz. It's the size of the wire is 2C, black round wire. Let's go ahead, oops, plug this in. Oh, my extension cord. Wow, that was embarrassing. Bling. So, there are your bulbs. I actually got some other cool bulbs I'm going to be testing out today with that are colored instead. I want to go ahead and look at the end of the connector. Okay, so this is the end of the connector, so you can connect them together. And I think that is all I am supposed to show you guys. I just came to brag that I got it for 65 cents. Just kidding. Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching.